Hey guys, a lot has been going on lately. I just seen two videos, one about Kitty and one about their mom. Something strange has happened to them. They went, they, something bad has happened to them. Something evil must have killed them. So, I'm gonna have to look and to find every detail I can. I can't let this happen to me. More on later. Okay, what I found really strange is that she's saying they don't like to see their faces bleed, and she said our soul, give me your soul. This is one weird thing, but they said they left a pile of fur on the forest, so I'm gonna check out. More on later. Okay, so the white pile of fur isn't there where the mom explained. So that's strange. Someone must have took it. Anyways, there was. I'm back in the forest to see what happened to the mama kitty. So I'm coming there to find more on so later. After showing signs, I only found the legs of the mom kitty. Something strange has happened to them. I see something. Something is strange. Something is happening. Something is happening! Yeah. Oh my god. I don't want to be here. I'm currently running away. It's still chasing me. It's so. Woo! I lost him. Woo! Guys, it's getting me. Never mind, just kidding. I'm super fine. More on later on what happened because it's been so weird since they ever disappeared. And I don't want to be part of it, but I would like to see what happened. Bye. More on later soon. Okay, I discovered the body. It's somewhere in a house. I don't know which house, but it's very far away from anywhere else. So it has to be the village. It has to be the village layer. So I'm about to go inside to see what is happening and all the fussing about. So more on later. Holy moly! Guys, you better see this. There's a lot of dead bodies. It's too much. I can't show it on the camera. Anyways, oh jeez. Oh jeez. I better keep calm and find out where they are. Because they're nowhere to be seen. I'm going to get them soon and revive them. Yay! Okay, I have to be quiet. The evil people are. The person is back in here. I don't know what they're doing, but I have to stay low and keep quiet. I'm hiding on the boxes right now. So, I don't know what to do. They're gonna break me apart, kill me, and do everything to me. They're gonna find me. They're just super unbearable. So, if I don't make anything anymore, then I must be dead. So, goodbye. And more late on more soon.
of death by suffocation.